one question arises in your mind that why I am discussing that fact and what is the relationship between our today's topic. I think all of you learned about the today's topic, that is the atomic structure, second lecture, and I already discussed with you in the previous class what was the topic. I uploaded all the topic and subtopic in the brain space. All of you, I think all of you learned about that fact. Now, why I am telling that fact? That our mother earth or nature is the teacher of all of us. Everything you can establish a relationship between the nature and the other scientific. Why? There is something which is very much related with the mother earth and which is also related with the atomic structure. But if you carefully see that thing, that maybe is generated by the nature, is created by the nature, there is a resemblance between that thing and also the atomic structure. What is this? This is the spider net. Okay, I think all of you got the spider net at least once in your lifetime. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, so what is the relationship between the spider net and the atomic structure? If you think about the spider, that's heavy mass. The spider is a nucleus. The nets are the orbit, and if any small insect trapped in that net, then this means the electron. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So there is a relationship. If you think carefully, okay, that spider net, the atomic structure will be like that. So you can relate it. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I will do the today's topic. So I am very much satisfied with your response because maximum of the students, you have uploaded your assignment very carefully. I check all that assignments. First of all, we will discuss in brief, very brief, the today's topic. Then we will go to the question answer session. Okay? So in the last class, we discussed about the Rutherford model. Okay? In the last class, we discussed about the Rutherford model. Now there are some drawbacks of the Rutherford model. To discuss about the Bose model, first of all, you have to know the drawbacks of the Rutherford model. And there are mainly two drawbacks of the Rutherford model regarding the stability of the atom and regarding the atomic spectrum. Okay, so because Rutherford model totally unable to explain the line spectra of the atom. So that's why Bohr came to the field and Bohr introduced a new model. What is the model? Depending on Rutherford's model, we modified the Rutherford's model. Okay, Bohr told that electron will revolve around the nucleus only under particular orbit. The orbit has a fixed energy. Okay, and that energy that is related to one thing. What is the thing? That electron will revolve only that orbit where the angular momentum of the orbit, that is mvr, that equals to n is by 2 pi. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
So what is the n? N is the principal quantum number. N is the principal quantum number, and that n, the value of n, actually signify the orbit. For example, if n equal to 1, it will be k. If n equal to 2, it will be l. If n equal to 3, it will be m, and if n equal to 4, n. Okay, so k, l, m, n are the values from the principal quantum number. N equal to 1, 2, 3, and 4. K, l, m, and n. And another important thing which was given by the board, that was that when one electron revolves in a particular orbit, it neither emits the energy nor absorbs the energy. And that principle told us or explained us that why we are getting the line spectrum. Okay, so there are two major things regarding the stability or regarding the atomic spectrum. According to Bohr's model, Bohr told that electron will revolve in a particular orbit, and when it revolves in a particular orbit, it neither emits the energy nor absorbs the energy. But there are also some drawbacks of the Bohr's model. There are also some drawbacks of the Bohr's model. What are the drawbacks? The drawbacks are if the light spectrum, which is created by the, which is explained by the Bohr, if the light spectrum that is placed in a high so many small lines. If one line is composed by so many small lines, that indicates there is some existence of some orbit. Yes or no? And then Sommerfeld came to the field. Sommerfeld explained that there is some existence of some elliptical orbit. Elliptical orbit means that was with the circular orbit, and he introduced a new quantum number. What is the quantum number? That is the azimuthal quantum number. That is the azimuthal quantum number. So he explained the azimuthal quantum number. Now, according to azimuthal quantum number, we can explain the existence of sub-orbit or subset. Yes or no? How? For a particular value, for a particular value of n, we will get the value n equal to 0 to -1. Like if you get the n equal to 2, n will be 0 and 1. And you know the existence of subset, that is S, P, D and F. We can explain when n equal to 0. So in that way, explain the existence of subset or elliptical orbit. Okay. Now tell me that up to that portion, have you any doubt? Have any question? Then we will move to the next topic. Because we will discuss the question answer down, then we will move to the next Jimana starter, the remaining topic. Tell me, any doubt, any question? If you have no question, then I will ask you one question. Have any question? Any question? Any question? Okay. Have you no? If you have no question, then I will ask one question. Just explain in details. Explain in details. Anybody of you explain in details that why we are getting the splitting of the spectral lines. You stand up. Splitting of the spectral lines. Why we are getting? One line is split into so many small lines. Why you are getting that lines? You maximum of the students you already made. Yeah. Stand up and tell. Energy. Absorption is no. Try to understand the question. The line spectrum, according to the board, if we place that line spectrum in high resolution spectral photometer, then what happens? One line split it into so many small lines. Why? What is the indication of that? Energy emits no. Very good. That is the existence of substance. One line, that is indication of one energy level. And when it split into so many small lines, that means the line is composed by so many small lines. So there must be some existence of some energy level. Okay. So you can see the picture of the Sommerfeld model. Here, look. There are elliptical orbit. Okay. So elliptical orbit means there is a subcell. There are some subcell. Okay. That is the modification of the Sommerfeld model. Okay. And another thing, very important thing, that is Sommerfeld model. That from the Bohr's model, we can calculate also the radius and energy. Radius of the Bohr orbit. Okay. So the detailed calculation is not included in your syllabus, but I will show you after completion of the chapter. That means in the fourth lecture, I will discuss with you the detailed calculation, and at that time I will also show you how the spectral lines are generated. That means there is some calculation, mathematical calculation, by which you can explain the full series of the lines, like Gamma series, like Passon series, etc. That was not included in your syllabus, but I will show you in the last of the chapter. Okay, but at that time you have to keep in mind only that fact that R is radius of the Bohr orbit, that proportional to R is proportional to what? that hydrogen, helium plus, lithium 2 plus and beryllium 3 plus. Just show me the order of the radius and with explanation. Quick. Anybody? Okay, stand up and tell. Please explain it. Okay, good. With explanation.
So sir, this will be the order.
Not to be powerful friends.
So this will be the order as Sir has written there that the radius is directly proportional to n square by z as the n is increasing. So this will be the order.
N is increasing. No, first core orbit. I told you the radius of the first core orbit. So n will not increase. N will be fixed. Yes or no?
Yes sir.
N mention first core orbit. So n will be constant. N is 1.
Yes.
Okay, now proceed.
So there is n will be 1 as we can see that this is single electron system for all this four and as the n is constant and z is changing in this case. So so z is changing.
So just go there.
And the radius will be changing from hydrogen to barium 3 plus.
Okay, so actually the radius proportional to 1 by z. Yes or no?
Yes or no?
Radius proportional to 1 by z. Yes or no? And if z is increasing from hydrogen to lithium, hydrogen to helium, lithium, radium, you know radius 1. Radius z 1, 2, 3, and 4. What is the z? There is the atomic number. So it is increasing hydrogen to helium to lithium to beryllium. Okay, so since it is inversely proportional, so obviously the radius will be decreased with increasing the atomic number. Is it or not?
Yes sir.
Is it clear? Okay, so up to that point, have any doubt? No. Then we will move to the next topic, that is the Zeeman effect and the Stark effect. Okay, so first of all, before going to the discussion about the Zeeman effect, you have to understand about the drawbacks of the Sommerfeld model. There is a very experimental drawbacks of the Sommerfeld model. What was the drawback of the Sommerfeld model? Sommerfeld model, what is the spectrum which is generated from the Sommerfeld model? That if we place in presence of magnetic field, if we place that lines in the magnetic field, then that lines will again split it so many small lines. This is the fine structure. This is the fine structure and this is the hyperfine structure. Okay, the lines which are generated from the Sommerfeld model, that Sommerfeld explains the existence of subcell. That's why the lines are split from the Bohr's model. But again, if you place that lines in presence of magnetic field with high resolution spectrophotometer, that line again is split into so many small lines. Okay, that is called Zeeman effect. Zeeman, you can keep in mind magnetic field. With the effect of magnetic field, the lines are split into so many small lines. Okay, now then Zeeman introduced a new quantum number that is called magnetic quantum number. Zeeman introduced a new quantum number that is called magnetic quantum number. Okay, that magnetic quantum number explains the existence of orbital. Very good. Existence of orbital. If a particular value of L will be minus L to plus L including 0. Yeah. For example, if you take the value of A equal to 1 is for subcell. Which subcell? P. Very good. Okay, so A will be minus 1, 0, plus 1. And it is the indication of existence of 3 orbitals in the P. And you know there are 3 orbitals Px, Py, so that's why we are getting the 3 orbitals. And that is called the Zeeman effect. clear to all of you? So now up to that time we are getting the three quantum number. Principal quantum number L, azimuthal quantum number L, and magnetic quantum number M. Now we move to the next topic, that is the star effect. Star effect almost the same, but here you have to apply not the magnetic field, you have to apply the electric field. You have to apply the electric field here, and then again the lines are split into so many small lines. Okay, and then star came to the field and star explained new quantum number, introduce a new quantum number that is called spin quantum number, which have the two values, one is the plus of and another is the minus of. Why? The spin quantum number came from the spinning of the electrons. Okay, if electrons spin two times, either clockwise or anti-clockwise, so we are getting the two quantum number. Any doubt up to that point?
Sir, everyone in simple effects, we use the magnetic field to split the spectrum line. So instead of magnetic field, can we use electric field?
That's why star effect. Magnetic field, when you are using the magnetic field, it is the Zeeman effect, no problem. And there you got the magnetic quantum number. But if you have the electric field, that was actually first shown by the star. That's why it's called star effect. And the same way we are getting the splitting of the lines. Okay? Okay. Okay. Now, have you any question up to that point? If you have no question, then I will give you one task. I will give you one task, that is the group discussion part. You know, all of you know, we will follow that procedure. First we will discuss in brief, then we will give you the task for your evaluation. Evaluation means you have to discuss with your friend each and every table. Then you have to solve the problem. I will go each and every table. Okay, then I will do it. Okay, so just have you any question? First of all, have you any question up to that point?
So can you please explain the Zeeman effect?
Zeeman effect. Okay, so Zeeman effect is the splitting of the spectral lines. In presence of magnetic field. Okay, and why that type of splitting occurs? According to splitting means, I told you that when one spectral line is split into so many small lines, that means actually there is existence of some sharp energy level. Okay, so before Zeeman, we know only the subset. Up to the subset, that means the S, P, D and F. These are the subset. Yes or no? But when Zeeman came to the field and he shown that there are several kinds of splitting. When Zeeman came to the field and the lines are again split in magnetic field, that indicate there must be some existence of sharp energy level, and Zeeman told that sharp energy levels are for the orbital. If that line is corresponding to P, for example, then one P line will be split into three P lines, because you know one P subset, there are three orbitals of P. That's why in presence of magnetic field, one line is split into three lines, and you can take it as the, if it is P, then Px. Yes or no? All of you, is it clear to all of you? Okay. Now, is it clear? Then I will move to the your.
When you start when will you get plus or when will you get minus?
That is not fixed actually. Normally clockwise and anti-clockwise, there are two directions. You can take it clockwise, plus or minus or. Okay. So this is arbitrary value. Okay. That is not fixed. Okay. Another any question? Okay. Now. Okay, all of you open your copy. First solve this MCQ. All of you first solve this MCQ. That is visible to all of you now. And in that meantime, I will give you the attendance. Okay, please respond for the attendance. Just do the MCQ. Then I will show you the two conceptual questions are there also. You have to solve the question by the group discussion. You have to respond for attendance also. Okay, Sudip Vishwas, Tanmoy Nath, Shubhayam Mistry,
Yes, sir.
Swarnali Pal,
Yes, sir.
Shayan Pal,
Yes, sir.
Shobhik Pal,
Yes, sir.
Sushmita Das,
Yes, sir.
Vivek Kumar, Vishal Kastam,
Yes, sir.
Sudip Das, Tanmoy Pal,
Yes, sir.
Shubhayam Shankar,
Yes, sir.
Tondrika Vishwas, Gunjan Dhar, Srirup Lahiri, Swagata Das, Yachna Raj,
Yes, sir.
Sushil Kumar, Vishal Sharma, Sumit Bera, Tanushree Haldar, Subrajyoti Bobi, Tanmoy Kumar Pal, Monalisha Ghosh, Swagata Thakur, Zubia, Sushmita Das, Vishal Sharma, Sumit Das, Sumit Gupta, Sumit Gupta, Kaushik Shah, Shobhit Mondol, Shubhabrata Panda, Supriyo Sarkar, and Torpon Das. There are some conceptual questions also. Please discuss with your friends. Please discuss with your friends. Please discuss with your friends and solve the problem. Don't be silent. Please participate in the group discussion. All of you, please participate in the group discussion. Okay, you please come. Hey, you please go there. Keep your back on there. Take your copy and go there. You please come. All of you please participate in the group discussion. For MCQ, all of you write down in your copy only the right option, okay? For MCQ, all of you write down only the right answer, okay? And the conceptual question prepared by the group discussion.